Hello, I'm Eric Markel and I'm in charge of Industry 4.0 at Renault Group, and I would like to give you some highlights of our transformation plan. We have created a unique Industry 4.0 platform which gives us performance and agility in our operations. We are not talking about a few POCs, but a full at-scale deployment across our 39 plants and our industry ecosystems. Supply chain, process development, and so on. Our partnership with Google Cloud Teams since 2019 was for us a true game changer. It has given us robustness in data gathering and efficient tools to leverage huge savings with data. This transformation is structured across 4 pillars. First one is connected people, not only in white collars, but also line workers. Second is real-time data-driven operation with a full digital twin. Third, full track and trace for our processes, packaging and vehicles. And last one is a plant flexibility to add resilience, which is mandatory in this new world. Today, we gather more than 1 billion datasets per day across our plants with standardized data structures to copy easily use case from one plant to another. All in one, 2029 savings were more than 100 million euros.
Hi, I'm Jean-François Salle, Supply Chain Global VP for Renault Group, and I want to highlight the benefits of a connected, collaborative and digitalized end-to-end supply chain. With Google Cloud, we can aggregate data from all functions in the group: sales, purchasing, manufacturing, finance, and better anticipate demand, supply risk in order to help the group decide the best possible scenario to improve profitability, control of our stocks, and free cash flow. In this way, as group supply chain, we can better play our role for orchestration, propose optimized scenario for business decisions. Developing an extended control tower on a large and complex scope of operational data, from suppliers to transport and plants, allows unprecedented capabilities to monitor supply from our 6,000 suppliers to our 39 production plants around the world. With live tracking of trucks, containers, AI tools that can predict risk and can provide mitigation solutions, we offer to the group new digital capabilities helping to cope with a more and more adverse environment in logistics. With Google Cloud, we have the ability to explore, to store and use full benefit of massive amounts of data generated by our production system and our logistic flows. We give all our people inside our plants and supply chain the ability to easily access the data and advanced predictive tools for business efficiency.